Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras. Let's see what's coming up, guys. This reading is going to be a short reading, guys. So we'll be picking one card each for your daily energy, for your career situation and your love energy. This is for your daily energy, Libras. This is for your career situation, guys, and this is for your relationship. And I'll be picking one card from the oracle guidance. So this is the card, and we will open the cards as we proceed. So for your daily energy, Libras, it's Seven of Swords. So with this card here, guys, maybe in your situation today, maybe you have too many burdens, too many responsibilities. You just want to leave all those responsibilities, run away from the situation. Or maybe for some of you, there may be people who are trying to steal your efforts, maybe steal your projects, or trying to trick you in some way, guys. So you need to be really careful today, guys. That is what I see with this card. Let us see what is the card for your career situation. Ace of Wands. So I see here that some new beginning, something which is challenging your skills and abilities, are coming towards you in your career situation, guys. Something very positive. You are a very talented person, a skilled person, and in what way you will be able to use your skills and talents, those new ventures are coming your way, guys, Libras. Let us see what is the card for your relationship. It's Page of Wands. So with this card, guys, it may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. You are a very passionate person. You love this person, or they may feel this way about you, guys. And you are funny, jovial, and you make them laugh all the time. So they feel really happy to be with you. That is what I see with this card here, Libra. So what is the card for your oracle's guidance? Fork in the road. So with this card, guys, the energy, you're making some important decisions today, guys. What you need to do in your situation today, whether you want to take this connection forward with engagement, or whether you want to take time. So you are considering the consequences of your action, what you need to do, that choice you need to make, and you are deciding. That is what this card is about. So with this card for your relationship, guys, you are at this place right now. You will you choose to open yourself to have this deep, meaningful connection with this person, or will you just walk away? So this is the time for you to take that responsibility towards the truest desire in your heart of hearts. If you have that true love to this person, you need to be honest, you need to be open, and you need to move forward with this relationship based on truth, guys. So if you love this person, you can move towards that deeper commitment with this person, engagement and marriage. But if not, you have to choose otherwise. Same way in your career situation, you need to think of your goals, your aspirations, what you need to do, and what is your choice. When you answer these questions honestly from your heart, you will know what is your direction you need to go to reach that prosperity and success in your life. So that is the oracle's guidance, guys, for your Libras. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.